take a look at the Flitch plate installed. If you're looking at the entire Flitch plate installation, you can see what's going on here. You have two 2x10s with a 1-inch piece of steel plate in the center. All the existing ceiling beams of the kitchen, of the house, are bolted, are actually fastened. Right now they're going to be fastened with metal joist hangers. And what's going to happen there is fasten with the metal joist hangers, and then the two 2x10s and the 1-inch plate are bolted together. You can see the bolts, they're staggered every 16 inches, are specced out, and then the end has a double bolt. You can see a double bolt all the way on that end also. This plate is made to hold a span of up to 22 feet, which is what this is. Now, this temporary wall can be removed, and we can add the top floor above it.